in finance, and then I'll be right back. So,
Mr. Chairman, I don't think you'll ever lose your line in seniority.
Number one.
Senator Grassley, I will not lose my line in not seniority, lowest in fine.
Okay, I am just going to speak for 2 minutes in deference to my colleagues. And I had chairing another hearing and heading to another one, but I wanted to record my vote officially as opposed, as I know we voted by proxy. And I just want to simply say I appreciated our new colleague's words about her friend and colleague. I ask consent that I vote as present and here, as opposed. Okay, thank you. I enjoyed meeting Pam Bondi, appreciated the opportunity to talk to her about our shared priorities, including cracking down on fentanyl, human trafficking, supporting law enforcement, promoting competition in the economy, and I truly do look forward to working with her on these issues. I do have concern that I know Senator Durbin and my colleagues have expressed about her ability to ensure the independence of the Justice Department. President Trump and his nominee to head the FBI have made repeatedly clear that they want to use the department to get revenge on their political opponents, and they're actually showing it. And for the shared priorities that we've talked about, these have not been the priorities of the Trump administration. Instead, in less than 2 weeks since he was sworn in, the president simultaneously used the Department of Justice to punish prosecutors investing crimes related to assaults on U.S. Capitol Police officers, pardoned those responsible for the assault, and denigrated prosecutors who put in jail someone whose website caused the death of 6 people. In his first hours in office, the president issued an executive order directing the Attorney General to re-examine scores of investigations and prosecutions at the department over the last 4 years. This week, the U.S. Attorney for the District of Columbia ordered an investigation of the charging decisions of the prosecutors involved in the January 6 cases. But what really concerns me, and what I do look forward to talking with Pam Bondi about if she is confirmed, and I do look forward to discussing this with her because we both shared a common background as heading up prosecutors' offices of career prosecutors, as our new colleague just noted. Here we have a case where prosecutors who throughout the department have worked apolitically for decades, apolitically to uphold the rule of law and keep our country safe. They just get randomly assigned to cases sometimes. New people come in, they get put on cases. And to fire these people simply because they have been placed on cases, career people, is just wrong. We're looking at the Assistant Attorney General for National Security and the Assistant Director of Counterterrorism, as well as the most senior career official who for years has worked to ensure that DOJ leaders comply with ethics requirements and with rules designed to keep politics out of the department's work. Whether it's a new attorney or an experienced professional, these are lawyers who have taken an oath to the Constitution and whose loyalty is to the noble mission of the Department of Justice and not the politics of a particular president. I am also very concerned about the grants and the funding and all of the activity of yesterday, which has put a hold on so much of the work to keep our communities safe. I will put the rest of my statement on the record. I thank my colleagues, and I really do hope that Ms. Bondi can show that independence that we value. I say this with hope. I am very concerned, so I am voting no, but she does have an opportunity in that independent role of the Attorney General of the United States of America to stand up to this kind of illegal activity. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Klobuchar.